egg omelet in Kerala style. Take grated coconut in the cup and add salt. Add some curry leaf into it. Cut and chop the big onion and add into the cup. Chop 2 green chilies. And add into cup. Mix coconut, onion, chili and curry leaf with required amount of salt. Then add 2 eggs into the cup and blend it while using a spoon. Add some black pepper powder. Heat a frying pan in low flame and add coconut oil or any cooking oil. Here I used coconut oil because it will give you better taste and smell. Pour the egg omelet mix into frying pan. Cover the frying pan top with a lid and cook 2 or 3 minutes in low flame. Cut the second side. Wow! See, our Kerala style egg omelet is ready to eat. This is very tasty and yummy. Try this egg omelet recipe and comment your feedback. Subscribe me to watch more videos and shorts. Thank you for watching.